You're telling terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Not a doormat, not a pebble. Reasons why. When people treat you like a doormat or a tiny forgotten pebble, you know the feeling being ignored, overlooked, or taken for granted. But here's the truth, you're not here to step on, you're here to stand up. Quick reality check, this video isn't about blaming people or creating drama. It's about understanding situations and responding in a healthy, confident way. One, the only when they need you, friend. They call only when they need help. Reason, some people forget relationship are two-way streets. Two, the interrupted mid-sentence moment. You start talking, they talk louder. Reason, not always intentional, but it shows a lack of awareness. Three, the plan, what plan situation. They cancel on you last minute. Reason, poor time respect, not your work. For the you'll do it anyway assumption, they give you extra tasks without asking. Reason, boundaries weren't there yet. Five, the juice that isn't funny. They tease you a little too much. Reason, humor should lift people up, not push them down. Six, the scene zone forever chat message sent no reply for days. Reason, could be busy or just not prioritizing communication. Seven, the credit grabber. You did the work, they take the credit. Reason, insecurity sometimes makes people act unfairly. Eight, the invincible in groups. Feeling you're there but not really included. Reason, group dynamics can overlook Twitter voices. Nine, the always backup plan. Your option B or C. Reason, some people don't realize your value yet. 10, the no appreciation zone. You help a lot, no thank you. Reason, gratitude isn't automatic for everyone, but it matters. 11, the over-apologizing trap. You say sorry even when it's not your fault. Reason, wanting peace shouldn't cost your confidence. 12, the energy drainer. You feel tired after talking to them. Reason, not all interactions are balanced. Protect your energy. 13, the self-doubt spiral. You start thinking, maybe I'm the problem. Reason, repeated treatment can affect how you see yourself. Healthy, friendly reminders. Here's the important part. You can be kind and have boundaries. You can say no without being rude. You can walk away without drama. And you can choose people who treat you with respect. So if anyone ever treats you like a doormat or a pebble, just remember, even pebbles can start avalanches. And doormats, they belong at the door, not in your life. What's the one boundary you're learning to set?